In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up undeposited funds in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the steps to ensure your accounts are tidy and accurate, preventing any financial discrepancies down the line. First things first, open QuickBooks Online. If you're new to QuickBooks, you'll need to sign up for an account. If you've already got an account, simply click on Sign In for QuickBooks Online. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're in, click Continue to proceed to the next step. The system might prompt you to enter your password again for security reasons, so go ahead and do that. Then click Continue once more. Now, you'll be asked to choose your company file. Make sure you select the correct one, as we'll be handling financial data. Once inside your QuickBooks dashboard, navigate to the Accounts section. From there, head over to the Chart of Accounts. This is where you'll find a list of all your accounts, including undeposited funds. Locate this undeposited funds account and give it a click. It's important to review your undeposited funds balance carefully. Here, you'll see all transactions recorded under this account. Check the account balance and identify any payments that should have been deposited but haven't been as of yet. Next, focus on identifying older or incorrect entries. Look for payments with old dates that should have been deposited into your bank long ago. Also, watch for duplicate entries or payments that were mistakenly categorized as undeposited. Keeping this clean is crucial for an accurate depiction of your finances and for making bank reconciliations easier. Now it's time to match these undeposited payments to their actual bank deposits. In the bank deposit window, check off the payments that were eventually deposited into your bank. It's essential to group together payments that were physically deposited on the same date. This step ensures your records in QuickBooks align perfectly with your real bank statements. Finally, make sure you're recording the correct deposit date in QuickBooks. This date should reflect when the funds actually hit your bank account, not when the payment was originally logged. Sometimes you'll also have bank fees or deposit slips with reference numbers. Enter these too, if applicable. By doing this, you ensure that your financial records are as accurate as they can be, which is crucial for business reporting and analysis. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll tidy up your undeposited funds in QuickBooks Online, bringing your accounts up to date and preventing future headaches. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more helpful QuickBooks tutorials.